Stop acid reflux naturally with these 7 proven supplements. Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a common condition that occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. This can cause a burning sensation in the chest and throat, and other symptoms such as difficulty swallowing and a sour taste in the mouth. So are you tired of that fiery burn of acid reflux taking over your taste buds, and want to enjoy a nice plate of spaghetti without feeling like a human volcano? Let's talk about the 7 best supplements that will have you saying goodbye to that burning sensation and hello to some delicious meals. Number 1. Probiotics. Probiotics reduce acid reflux by improving the balance of gut bacteria and reducing inflammation in the gut. When the gut is happy and healthy, it produces the right amount of acid and causes less heartburn. Probiotics also support the gut lining and strengthen the gut's barrier function. Also, probiotics improve the digestion and absorption of food, which can also help to reduce symptoms of acid reflux. It's like having a happy stomach. Right stomach acidity and better digestion will lead to less reflux. Now let's talk about some scientific proof. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that taking a probiotic containing Lactobacillus reuteri for 4 weeks reduced symptoms of acid reflux and improved the quality of life in participants. So if you are looking for ways to reduce acid reflux, give probiotics a try. It is best to take them on an empty stomach at least 2 hours before or after meals. This allows the probiotics to pass through the stomach and reach the gut, where they can be most effective. Just remember, probiotics are like the cherry on top of the sundae and should be used in conjunction with other treatments and lifestyle changes. And make sure to consult with a doctor before starting any supplement regimen. Number 2. Melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that plays a role in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. But did you know that it can also reduce acid reflux? When taken as a supplement, melatonin can help reduce the amount of acid produced by the stomach, which can, in turn, reduce acid reflux symptoms. Think of melatonin as the peacekeeper of the stomach. It keeps everything balanced and prevents acid reflux from getting out of hand. Also, melatonin improves the muscles of the gut and esophagus. It's like hiring a personal trainer for your stomach. It helps to improve the strength of muscles and prevent acid from flowing back to the esophagus. A study published in the Journal of Medicine found that taking a melatonin supplement significantly reduced the frequency and severity of acid reflux episodes and improved sleep quality. The recommended dosage of melatonin varies, but a common starting dose is 3 to 5 milligrams taken 30 minutes before bedtime. It is also important to note that melatonin may cause drowsiness, so it should not be taken during the day or before driving. Additionally, long-term use of melatonin is not recommended. It can interact with other medications, including antidepressants and blood thinners, and negatively affects your health. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger supplements alleviate the burning sensation of acid reflux by decreasing inflammation and neutralizing stomach acid. Some studies have shown that consuming ginger can also speed up the emptying of the stomach, which can reduce the likelihood of reflux. It also improves the function of the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that helps prevent stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. So imagine your stomach is like a boiling cauldron of acid, and ginger is like a trusty fire extinguisher, dousing the flames and leaving you with a cooler, more comfortable belly. So if you're looking to reduce your acid reflux symptoms, consider adding some ginger to your diet in the form of supplements. They are easy to find at your local health food store and provide relief without the need for harsh medications. And the best part, it's a natural way to help your stomach. And it's tasty too. It's a win-win situation. However, ginger supplements are not for everyone, and it's important to check with a doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you are taking any medications or have any underlying health conditions. Number 4. Betaine HCI. Betaine HCI, also known as stomach acid, is a supplement that people with low stomach acid often take to increase their stomach acidity. This is because acid reflux is often caused by too little stomach acid rather than too much. You see, when you have enough stomach acid, it helps to break down food properly, which in turn helps to keep stomach acid in the stomach where it belongs and not creeping up into the esophagus where it can cause heartburn and other unpleasant symptoms. But when stomach acid is low, food doesn't get broken down properly and remains in the stomach for a longer period, causing the stomach to stretch and putting pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, LES. This pressure can cause the LES to relax, allowing stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. So, by taking a supplement like Betaine HCI, people with acid reflux can increase the acidity of their stomach, which helps to break down food properly and keep stomach acid where it belongs. Several small studies have been conducted to examine the effectiveness of Betaine HCl in reducing symptoms of GERD. In one study, a group of people with GERD were given a Betaine HCl supplement, while another group was given a placebo. The group that received Betaine HCl reported a significant reduction in symptoms compared to the placebo group. It's important to note that Betaine HCl should be taken under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as it can cause side effects like stomach discomfort, nausea, and heartburn when taken in high doses, or by people who don't have low stomach acid. It's also important to note that Betaine HCl should not be taken by people who have stomach ulcers, gastritis, or any other stomach or intestinal issues. Number 5. Iberogast. Iberogast is a combination of several different herbs, including chamomile, angelica, and lemon balm, that have been traditionally used to alleviate symptoms of digestive issues, including acid reflux. It works by stimulating the muscles in the gut, which help to move food through the digestive tract more efficiently, and thus reduce acid reflux symptoms. Several studies have been conducted to investigate the effectiveness of Iberogast in reducing symptoms of GERD. A randomized, double-blind trial showed that taking Iberogast for 4 weeks significantly improved GERD symptoms compared to a placebo. The patients who took Iberogast showed improvement in symptoms such as heartburn, bloating, and indigestion. Another study on adults with functional dyspepsia and GERD found that Iberogast improved symptoms such as heartburn, abdominal pain, and flatulence. The recommended dosage of Iberogast varies depending on the brand, but generally, the suggested dosage is 20 drops 3 times a day. Supplements are available in both liquid and capsule form. The liquid form is typically taken by dissolving the recommended dosage in a small amount of water or another beverage with or immediately after meals. The capsule form of Iberogast also needs to be taken with or immediately after meals. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Many people claim that drinking a small amount of apple cider vinegar before a meal can help to reduce acid reflux symptoms. The theory behind this is that apple cider vinegar balances the acidity levels in the stomach and reduces acid reflux symptoms. Acid reflux is often caused by too little stomach acid rather than too much. Apple cider vinegar is acidic and could help to increase acidity in the stomach, helping to properly break down food, which in turn helps to keep the stomach acid in the stomach where it belongs and not creeping up into the esophagus where it can cause heartburn and other unpleasant symptoms. It is no substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle, but it can be a helpful addition for those struggling with acid reflux symptoms. However, it is important to keep in mind that apple cider vinegar is very acidic, so it should be diluted with water and consumed in small amounts, or it could end up making your symptoms worse, and no one wants that. Also remember that everybody's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. So if you are thinking about trying apple cider vinegar as a home remedy for acid reflux, it is a good idea to talk to your doctor first and make sure that it's safe and appropriate for you. Number 7. Zinc l-carnosine. Zinc l-carnosine is a combination of zinc and l-carnosine, an amino acid found in meat, dairy products, and fish. Some studies have suggested that zinc l-carnosine can help soothe the esophagus and stomach lining and reduce acid reflux symptoms. One study on this matter shows that taking a zinc l-carnosine supplement for 8 weeks significantly reduced acid reflux symptoms, such as heartburn and indigestion, compared to a placebo. It is also believed that the combination of zinc and l-carnosine improves the integrity of the stomach lining, which helps to prevent acid from flowing back into the esophagus. The dosage of zinc l-carnosine varies depending on the brand, but generally the recommended dosage is between 75 to 150 milligrams per day, taken with or immediately after meals. It is best to follow the package instructions or ask your doctor for specific recommendations. So are you ready to try these 7 supplements and reduce the symptoms of acid reflux? Also, don't forget that taking a supplement is no substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. They should be used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. This includes avoiding foods that trigger symptoms, eating smaller, more frequent meals, and not eating close to bedtime. Additionally, avoiding tobacco and alcohol, losing weight, and elevating the head of your bed can help reduce symptoms. It is also worth noting that everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before trying any new supplement, especially if you are taking any other medications or have any medical conditions. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!